Welcome you all. I am Professor Yogesh Kokate from Mechanical Department in the video lecture series of heat transfer. In this video, we are going to see the application of heat transfer. In our day-to-day life, we see lot of equipment which deal with the heat transfer. In that first category is nothing but the domestic appliances. You see that the food pan. In this pan we cook the food. In older day the pan is made up of steel material. Nowadays if you see the bottom of this stainless steel pan, most of the time it is coated with the copper, so as to we can enhance the heat transfer from the gas burner towards the food, so cooking time is get saved. Second case is thermos flask. Here we are design the thermos flask to retain the temperature of fluid inside the thermos flask for the longer time. Third example is a refrigerator, where we can put whatever may be the foodstuff will be remain for a longer time at a same condition, so we want to cool them. To reduce the work done or to save the work done, that means electric bill, we have to design the walls of the refrigerator. Again a good example of heat transfer. This is second category of heat transfer, that is nothing but electronic gadgets. These are the very buzzing topic nowadays. If you see the older TV or computer monitor which is big in size, also the CPU which is big in size, nowadays it will be reduce its size day by day. So whatever may be the heat dissipation problem is nothing but the very challenging job for the mechanical engineer to design the gadget which have higher capability to dissipate the heat energy, so as to this gadget will remain cool or they remain their design temperature ranges, so as to they can perform very good. Next category is nothing but the industrial category, where we can design the heat exchangers, radiator or solar heaters. In this category we exchange the heat between cold medium and hot medium, so as to our purpose is get solved. Like in case of radiator we cool the engine, in case of solar water heater we heating the water so as to we can use for bathroom purpose. So there are n number of application of heat transfer. Now what is the heat energy? First of all we have to understand that like mechanical, electrical energy, heat is also a form of energy. Now when it is get flow, for that mandatory condition is that heat energy is always flow when there is an temperature difference. That means we require two region, one is higher temperature region and one is lower temperature region. So here we are taking one body which having A, that is at a higher temperature, and body B which having a lower temperature. Then and then only there is a possibility of heat transfer, otherwise heat transformation will be not take place. So when these two bodies will becomes contact with each other, then if there is a temperature difference in between them, then the heat transformation will be take place from higher temperature body to the lower temperature body. In this case it is take place from A to B. Now heat energy also called as a transient form of energy. Now what is meant by transient form? So we always say that this body contain very high heat. This is totally wrong statement. Body never contain heat energy. Body always, when the heat energy is stored, it will be stored in the form of internal energy. Now, when this internal energy transfer across the boundary, then we call it as it is nothing but the heat energy. So heat energy always available across the boundary, that phenomena is called as a transient form or transient form of energy. That's why heat energy is a transient form of energy. Transfer of heat energy. Now how the heat energy will be get transferred? So there are three mode of heat energy transfer that you know. That is nothing but the conduction, convection and radiation. In this example, if you see that there is an handle, this handle will become red hot due to the pan is get hot and heat is get transferred through this handle and it fill at the other end. So when the heat get transferred through the system by the vibration of molecules, or when the heat is get transferred to the next molecule by the vibration, then that type of heat transfer called as an conduction. If you see inside the pan, water is get circulated, because water density which is at the bottom will become lighter and that come at the top, and heavier water at the top will become at the bottom. One current is get generated here, heat is get transferred by the density difference. That form of mode of heat transfer is convection. And last mode is nothing but the radiation, where from the fire heat is get transferred directly to the pan due to the electromagnetic wave. That means, in short, what is the mode of heat transfer? For that purpose we have to take one example, simple. If I am in Nasik and I want to go to the Mumbai, then I can hire the car, I can go with the bus, or I can take a train also. So these are the three mode. By this mode I can travel from Nasik to Mumbai. Like this, heat also will be same, though it is get transferred by convection, conduction or radiation. But the mechanism are different, that's why name is given conduction, convection, radiation. In next video, we will see the differences in between them. Thank you.